Do you know Venn diagram? It is just like set A, set B, set A union B, A minus B, and B minus A. All these will come. Do you have this idea? Have you ever seen these images, set Venn diagrams?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. So listing sets and describing sets. Uh, can you read up this? Read it up.
A set is a collection of things called elements or members. When a set is specified, it needs to be made absolutely clear what things are its members. This can be done by listing the members inside curly brackets. For example,
Okay. So a set. What is a set notation means? A set is a collection of things called elements or members. The elements. These are the elements. Element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Or we can say they are the member of the set. Okay. Member of the set. And this is the most important. It needs to be made absolutely clear what things are its members. Okay. Means अगर यदि मैं एक सेट लिख रहा हूँ दैट इज सेट ऑफ मंथ्स. ओके. मैंने फिर जैन लिखा, मार्च लिखा. ठीक है. अप्रैल मई में अप्रैल मई लिखा. ठीक है. जून लिखा. So one can understand that this is the month January, this is the month March, this is the month June. What is this? April, April, May. It is neither April nor May. So this kind of ambiguity will not happen, should not happen. It's a proper clear cut elements. This is the element, yes, this is the element, this is a not element. 2 is element of this set or no? Is that 2 is a member of this set?
no.
No. So this is a clear cut information. Na? So clear different. That is said to be well defined. That is said to be well defined. It is a mathematically terminology we can use in the further sets notation. So it's a well defined objects or well defined elements. Collection of well defined elements is your set. So this is one notation, and it is a writing description odd integers from 0 to 10. We can also write like this: odd integers from 0 to 10 means the same thing, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So this is something, there are terms are there. It's a short notation and detailed notation are there. Next, equal sets. These are equal. Can you see? This is wrong. Okay. See, 13579,
Okay.
39751, 59137. The order is not important. The member is important. The order could be anything. So this is the element of that set. That's it. And moreover, in sets, in sets, we will not write, we will not write an element repeatedly. One is there, only once we have to write. 3, 5, 7, 9. So we should not repeat a number twice two times. That is wrong notation. Of course, he is given here for the example purpose, but officially we should not. See. Can you read this? Can you read this?
The order in which the members are written doesn't matter at all, and neither does position.
Okay. So he is saying that repetition doesn't matter, but as a standard notation, we will not use the repetition. And this is one question. Can you read this? 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many elements are there? 6 elements. And we represent this with mod A. It is mod A equals to 6 means that is number of elements. It is number of elements. Here letters in alphabet, 26 letters. Only 12 is there. The number of elements is 1. Odd numbers between 1.5 to 2.5. How many odd numbers between 1.5 to 2.5? Give me the answer. What is the element of 6? What is the element of P? What is the element of T? What is the odd number in P?
Um,
Is there any odd number?
no.
No, so it is empty. This is empty set. See, empty set has notation. If this is empty set, is there any element? Is there any?
No.
No, this is empty set. Is there any element?
No.
There is element 0.
Oh.
This is a set. It is a non-empty. Non. But this is empty. This is empty set. Okay. And this is also we can use for empty set notation. Okay. We can use this is also for empty set notation. Empty set notation. That's it. That's it. If anything is there, I will inform further. Yeah, we came to the same notation. Maybe the last set D is called empty set because it has no member. The usual symbol to empty set is like this. Okay. There is only one empty set. See, because two empty sets have exactly same member means none are big number. So that's why. Okay, so it is an empty set notation. And similarly, you can write how many elements here? 5 elements. It is the same repetition. Okay. What is intersection? Intersection means what is E?
दूसरा जैसा आज से कंप्लीट हो गया सर, पास
0,
आउट हो गया है
1,
आपका
2,
दया से। आपको तो
3. What is B?
सबसे पहले नमस्कार बोलना।
1, 3, 6.
ये
What are the common elements?
नहीं, हम लोग
Common
रिटर्न
elements are
जाने
said to be
वाला
A
सर,
intersection.
निकल रहा था, फिर भी आपका
What is A
एक पॉइंट के
intersection B?
अंदर हम ये लड़की का लाइफ
What are
बदला।
the common elements B? What are the common?
नहीं, ये सब एक भाग्य होता था, भाग्य होता। अर्जुन साहब भी
What
मिलने
are the
थे,
common
नमस्ते बोलना।
elements?
1
है ना,
and
लाइफ
3.
One,
कुछ
three. That's
होता
it.
है, कोई रास्ता
And
मालूम नहीं
this
क्या
is
करेगा, हम
intersection.
लोग छोड़ के जाने वाला था।
A
फिर
union B
पता नहीं
means
आपका भगवान को
list
वहाँ मिला
all
मिला,
elements
अभी
without
आज
equation.
कंप्लीट हो गया, खाली
See,
3
0
आगे
is
रहता,
here,
वो
you can write.
दिसंबर में
1 is
मिलेगा।
in both, no problem. You can write 1. 3 is both. 3 you have to write. 2
हाँ,
you have
ठीक
to
है,
write.
ठीक
3
है,
you have to write. 6 you have to write. It is collection of
ठीक है,
all elements without
ठीक है साहब, ये
equation.
किताब ले
That is
लेता।
your A union B.
अमाउंट
Okay.
साहब,
And if A
4000 कर
intersection
दी
B
साहब।
is empty, if A intersection B is empty, then we call them as disjoint
हाँ,
sets.
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है।
Common element is empty.
नहीं, फिर भी
There
हम
is no
लोग
common
पहले
element.
एक कोर्स का पैसा बांधा
Is
ना,
it clear?
अटेंड ही नहीं किया। हाँ,
I must get your response.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
And next, again same notation. And means intersection, or means union. Okay. So we call this is a notation A intersection B, A and B, A union B, A or B. Intersection is empty, then we call it as disjoint. That's it. And next, sets, subsets, subset of set. Okay. See here. What is this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am taking 2 comma 3. See, this is 2, this is 3. These two are the members of this set. These two are the members of this set. Means it is a subset. If every member of B is also a member of A, then B is called subset of A. And we represented with like this or like this also sometimes. This means proper subset. This means subset are equals. This means improper. Improper means uh, improper means equal set only at most. It is proper. Proper subset means this is proper subset. For this, it is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not proper set. It is improper subset. Means proper means what? Properly means at least it should be differ by 1. that is said to be proper. Okay, and A is said to be itself, A is said to be itself. For every set, empty set is a subset by default. Okay, see, A is subset to itself, every subset is subset of itself, every set is subset of itself, empty set is subset of every set. Can you read these two lines? Please read up these two lines.
इसमें दो सेट क्या है, एक 5:30 एक 6:30
Every set is a subset of itself. Also, the empty set is a subset of every set.
Every set. Every set is subset to itself. Empty set is subset to every set. So by default किसी भी set दे दो उसका दो subset तो मिलना ही मिलना है. One is itself, one is empty. There are others are different. Two subsets must have. And this is called universal set. Means if all subsets takes the elements from the set, this is called a universal set. For example, एक यूनिवर्सल सेट है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 तो हम जितने भी सबसेट्स लिख लेंगे वट एवर द सबसेट्स हैविंग द एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम दिस सेट ओनली देन वी कॉल इट एज यूनिवर्सल सेट. And one more, A complement is there, A bar, A complement or A prime. All are said to be same logic, which is E minus A. E minus A. E minus A means there is a minus is a different operation. I will tell you, minus is a different operation. For example, I am giving A is equals to 1 2 5. Okay. B is equals to 1 3 5 11. Do you know what is B minus A? What is B minus A? What is B minus A?
I don't know.
First of all, you have to write B 1 3 5 11. Now you have to cross check if the element is in A. 1 is there, 1 is here, cross it. 2 is here, but 2 is not in B, ignore. 5 is here, 5 is here, cross it. So answer is 3 comma 11. That's it. Okay, this is A minus B, B minus C we should write.
Okay.
See, which means that we are taking, this is your major set, main, this is the base set. From this, if is there any element is common, then remove. If not common, then leave it, we should not have that element. Okay, I did confuse in my childhood also, because we are doing something ignoring. 2 is not here. What about 2? Because B is the base. B is the base. अब क्या होता है, B आपके पास है, इनमें से कौन कौन सी हटा सकते हो, जो A में कॉमन होगा. जो B में है ही नहीं तो हम उसको कैसे काटेंगे, वो तो काट ही नहीं सकते हम उसको लेंगे नहीं. So 1 3 5 7 minus this 1 2 5, 1 is a common, that's why we cross. 5 is a common, we cross. 2 is not common, ignore. So it is 3 11. That's it. This is about A minus B or B minus A. You can take A minus B or B minus C. And this is the most important. See, here A is there. What is A? 1 3 5 7 9. A complement means that is E minus A. ये सब पढ़ना पड़ा. E minus A means E पहला लिखा, A बाद में लिखा, जो जो कॉमन है उसको काटो. कोई 1 कॉमन है काटा, 3 कॉमन है काटा, 5 कॉमन है काटा, 7 कॉमन है काटा, 9 कॉमन है काटा. अब E में बचा कौन है, तो 2 4 6 8 10. दैट्स इट. मोर ओवर A इंटरसेक्शन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इसमें कोई कॉमन नहीं है. आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देख सकते हो. सो आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो. सो इसमें इसमें कोई कॉमन नहीं है. A इंटरसेक्शन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज एम्प्टी and A union A bar is entire set. A union A bar is entire universal set. Okay, and not means complement. Not means complement means A complement. It is common there. You don't need such a deep basic notion. Now come here. Now this is a good image. can you see first image? These are called Venn diagrams. These are called Venn diagrams. What is the first image? First image को पढ़ो थोड़ा. It is E.
Um,
It is E means your entire universal set. Okay. It is E means entire
okay.
universal set. And this is A. This is A means what is inside A? Can you see? Can you read these numbers inside A? 1,
5713.
1, 3, 5, 7. What is inside B?
1324.
1, 3, 2, 4. What is A intersection B?
13.
1, 3. What is A minus B? 1, 3, 5, 7 से ये जो कॉमन है इसको हटाना था. 5, 7. Okay. What is B
Yeah,
minus A? Is 2, 4.
24.
2, 4. Okay. So these are the case. This is the case one. And is there any common element between A and B?
No.
Means A, B are disjoint. A intersection B is empty. Okay. And here A is contained in B because A is 1, 2, 3, which is lying inside B. Which is lying inside B. Here B is lying inside A. Is it true? B is lying inside B. B is contained in B. You can also see what is this portion. This is a portion A intersection B. Okay, and this is a portion A complement means from E इसको छोड़ के बाकी सब है. Okay, इसको छोड़ के बाकी सब है. That is A complement. And this is B complement and A complement intersection B. बाकी एरिया के अंदर ये है, हम इसको B माइनस A भी लिख सकते हैं. This is also called B minus A. And देखिएगा ये A intersection B था, उसकी कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. उस A intersection B कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. तो इतना आइडिया आना चाहिए ताकि हम इमेजेस को देखें उसके पोर्शंस क्या है. ओके, सो आई कैन आल्सो से वन थिंग. ये जो पोर्शन है दिस इज योर A माइनस B. फ्रॉम A जो कॉमन B पोर्शन है हटा चाहिए. तो A इंटरसेक्शन B और B माइनस A बोथ आर सेम. फ्रॉम B जो कॉमन पोर्शन है उसको हटा दो. एंड नाउ दिस इज अ प्रॉपर्टी. This is a property. And this is said to be cardinality of A. If the number of elements of A are n, then cardinality of A is n. So cardinality of A union B is equals to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus A intersection B. These kind of questions could be asked easily. This is number of elements A, number of elements in B, number of elements in A union B. You have to separate A intersection B. You have to separate, and you have to verify these cases. Okay. So if there is no common element, they are disjoint. So these will come here. What is this first set? You have to do this. What is the first A part? Read up.
Add odd positive integers less than 10. So
What are the odd
1,
positive
3,
integers less than
5, 7, 9.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Odd positive 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What about next?
The first 6 positive multiples of 6.
What are the 6 positive multiples of
So
6?
6,
Mm-hmm.
12,
Mm-hmm.
18, 24,
18, 24, 30, 36. They are the first 6 multiples.
30.
Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about the
1, 2, 4, 5, 10,
But
20.
now, what is A union B? तुम बताओ अब. Is A union B? Union means common.
3, 5.
Common union common. सबके सब लिखना चाहिए. 1 3 5 7. अगर इधर रिपीटेड है तो एक बार लिख दो बस. A intersection B means common element. What are the common? 3 5. That's it.
3, 5.
Okay. And what is this? B. A union B M. That's it. A intersection B. A intersection B.
A.
Single element. Okay. Prime numbers less than 10. You can do this. No problem. This is a fallen true or false.
Yeah.
What is the first one? True or false?
False.
False. Why? Because there is a nuisance of 2. What about B?
False.
Why? How many elements in A? How
Oh,
many?
A, sorry. No, true.
It's true. What about the C?
False.
False. What about D? Is every element of A is an element of B?
False.
False, because 8 is not a number. What is E?
True.
True. What about D? F.
True.
True. That's it. That's it. True. Now you can do. What is this A?
If A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B is equal to 3, 4, and E is equal
What is A? What is the first part?
to
The mod A. Number of elements in A.
3,
Next B.
2,
Next A union B.
1, 3, 4, 5,
1 3 4 5. Cardinality of A union B.
4,
A intersection B.
3,
Cardinality of A intersection B.
1,
A complement.
1,
That is E minus A. It's 2 4.
so 1, 4.
2
Oh,
4. What is B bar? What is B bar?
um,
What is B
1,
bar?
2, 5.
Very good. Very good. Very good. 1 2 5. 1 2 5. That's very good. Very good. And the students who study Japanese, students who study history, carefully describe each. What is A intersection B?
Students who study Japanese and history.
Is there any students who study this? Okay, you have to write students who study Japanese and history both. It is either or. either Japanese or history or both. Okay. Now please comment on eighth question.
A yes for A. No for B. Yes for C. No and no.
It is yes. Empty set is subset to every
Oh,
subset. Okay.
okay.
What about this seventh one? What are the possible subsets of A? One is empty, one is singleton A. That's it. A you have. But see here, you can see the possible subsets are A, B, AB, empty. So there are four possible subsets of AB. And here A, B, C, AB, BC, CA, ABC. Empty. These are subsets. And empty it is the only subset to itself. Empty is subset to empty. That's it. Okay. Next. Please write down. Take 2 minutes time and write down yourself with pen paper and send it to me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Write down with along with the A, B, E. Okay, don't write only answers.
Okay.
Write down your A, write down your B, write down your E, and what are the A, B, C, D, E, F, and all for both problems. Please write. पानी दिसू Is it done?
Yeah, I'm just sending it.
If this is okay, this kind of voice, and I think there is no disturb for you also in class. Okay, got it. Fine, just like this. Okay, as a guide, what is A complement is? Why you written only this A P E? Okay, it is 8. Okay, nice one. Okay, 2. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is 6 elements are there. Yes. 5 P complement. 1, 2, 3. Is there any 8? What about 8 in B? B is missing.
Oh yeah.
A intersection B complement in 7 is right. A union B. 2 numbers to be mixed, 2 and 8 is yes. A union B complement means okay, 2, 5, 8, 3 and missing. Okay, that is okay. Okay, 7, 2 and 8, 9 1 is okay. Okay, so you are trying for the 10th one. If you not try, then stop and let's do with 11th. Okay, what is 11th portion?
Okay. In each pot, draw a copy of the diagram to the right and shade the corresponding region.
What is the corresponding region of A union B? It's this, right?
Yep.
This is the A union B. Next, A complement intersection B. A complement means A complement means just give me a second. A complement means rest. This is called rest. Intersection B means this is your requirement. A intersection A complement intersection B. And phi implies phi m. Phi inverse means phi m. Phi complement means entire box. Universal set. A union B means A union B. I think you understood. And this is also, these results are true. A is contained B and B is contained in A, then A is called B. This is direct impulse property. And A is contained in B and B is contained in C. This is called transposition. Transitive relation. Okay. A is contained in Q. What about P union Q? What is this? P is contained in Q. What is P union Q? Adit, answer Dina. This is P. This is contained in Q. What is P union Q? Means this P portion as well as this entire portion. Their union is same. Therefore,
Okay.
this is your Q. That is your Q. Okay. Next, A inter P intersection. For example, This is your Q. P is contained in this. What about the common portion? Common portion will be P only. So P intersection Q is equals to P. Up can you do match? Explain by doing matching. Express the problem and do it matching. What is the question number? What is the question? What is this question?
Select the Venn diagram that best shows the relationship between each pair of sets A and B.
Okay, it is a match. What is the first one? Tasmania.
Uh,
Tasmania, States of Australia. Is there any province named with Tasmania in Australia?
yeah, it's a state.
It's a state. So therefore, A is
So it was
subset
the
of B. This is A is subset of B.
oh yeah.
Next,
Um, so it'd be the second one.
second one. There is no common. They are disjoint. Next, hey, wrong. What is the B?
Oh, the first one
The first one. Why?
because the 7 is common.
7 is common. Next, C. There is nothing is common.
The
Next,
second one,
next. Politicians of
the fourth
Australia,
one.
politicians of New South Wales. It is B is subset of B. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, it is 15 meters into right. Ah, now it is a challenge problem. So previously two sets, now they are three sets. Now they are three sets. What is the common portion to A P intersection Q intersection R? What is the common intersection of all portions? This portion is available in R. This is available in P. This is available in Q. This is available in R. Can you see? It is available in all
Yeah.
points. So this portion is your P intersection Q intersection R.
Okay.
Next, P intersection R union Q intersection R. I am drawing the image. 1, 2, 3. P intersection R. This is P. This is Q. This is R. I am changing the pen. If you take this, what is P intersection R means this is P intersection R, okay? And now Q intersection R means you have to make like this.
Okay.
This is called your P intersection R union Q intersection R. I added entire portion. Okay. Next, P bar union Q bar union R bar. So it is same. You have to think this is P. What is P bar? The entire portion. Q q bar means this entire portion, okay, and q equal to q in r bar. We're supposed to again here the entire portion, okay, means जो ये पोर्शन हट के बचा पोर्शन पूरा पोर्शन, दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस, ए का रिवर्स है, ए का रिवर्स है, ए में क्या था सिर्फ इतना ही था, ठीक है, एंड सी में इसको छोड़ के बाकी सब कुछ है, ओके, लिख लिया, अब इसे कंफर्म सी हियर, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ये जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट अंदर जाता है इट इज सेम एज ए इंटरसेक्शन बी बार इज इक्वल्स टू ए बार यूनियन बी बार, ए बार यूनियन